Welcome to K4Tech Systems channel and thank you very much for watching this video. This video is about a review of China-made high-precision coulometer model named GC-97. It is basically a battery monitor. It is working without any issue since July 2021. What is a coulometer? A coulometer is an instrument that measures the amount of electric charge transferred in a chemical reaction. In this video, we introduce you a coulometer that we use to measure and monitor storage battery. GC-97 high precision coulometer detects voltage, current, present battery capacity, temperature and automatically identifies charging and discharging current. Charging can display the icon of power plug. It can also detect balance power in battery and displays it in both percentage and progress bar like we see in our mobile handset. It operates in a wide operating voltage and is suitable for all batteries. It can measure battery voltage in the range 0 to 350 volt and current 0 to 500 ampere. You can see and understand more of its features in this device's manual, which is now shown here in screen. If you comment with your email address, I will try to send its PDF file to you. Now you are seeing our running battery monitor GC-97. This device can show voltage till 200 volt and current up to 100 ampere. You can also purchase a higher capacity monitor. From the battery monitor you can understand that 32.1 degrees Celsius is the temperature of battery. This device shows battery capacity in percentage and progress bar. You can see that now there is 60% battery capacity remaining. Battery voltage is 25.9 volt. To recharge battery we are using electricity produced in solar panel. What you see now is a DC ammeter connected to solar panel. Voltage is shown 045 but it is actually 145 volt. Total VMP capacity of 4 solar panels in grid is 156 volt and total IMP current is above 9 ampere. Sunlight is low now and that is why production is only 3.9 ampere. Battery is recharged at 15.3 ampere. Minus symbol or plug symbol means it is charging. Otherwise it is discharging. Charging equivalent watt is 396.27 watt. Solar panel production is 565.5 watt. Out of this 396.27 watt goes to charging battery as you have already seen. Balance power 169.23 watt is used by some home load. Battery meter shows remaining battery charge is 133.441 Ah, which is 66% of 200 Ah. This GC-97 model coulometer display provides a lot of information to the user. It includes battery temperature, remaining battery capacity in both percentage and graphical progress bar, battery voltage, charge or discharging current with a plug icon to show that it is charging, charging or discharging power in watt, and balance battery capacity in Ah. All are displayed in one screen. Connection diagram. Let us understand how we connect this battery meter to a battery system. It is important to understand that this battery monitor works with a shunt for understanding electrical signals. So what is an ammeter shunt? An ammeter uses ammeter shunt to directly measure current values. It is a resistor of very low but accurately known resistance placed in parallel with a voltmeter so that virtually all of the current to be measured will flow through the shunt. The resistance is chosen so that the resultant voltage drop is measurable but low enough not to disrupt the circuit. The voltage across the shunt is proportional to the current flowing through it, and so the measured voltage can be scaled to directly display the current value. What you see in screen is a sample of ammeter shunt. This is the picture of the ammeter shunt we received in the parcel of GC-97 product. Now we will see how we connect a GC-97 coulometer. For convenience, we can divide connection in two stages for easy understanding. Stage 1. There are 4 points on the shunt for connection. Two endpoints of shunt are connected in a way that one end with the negative terminal of battery and the other end to the load like you see in the picture. From the same point of shunt connected to the negative terminal of the battery, we use a wire to connect to the fourth point of coulometer. Similarly, from positive terminal of battery, we connect another wire to the first point of coulometer. See the screen to understand better. In stage 2, we connected two inside points of shunt with the coulometer. In the inside part of shunt, there are two circular metal points. It's called gongs with the screws which you can use to connect two wires to point 2 and 3 of coulometer. See this green colored wire in the picture for better understanding. Now we will discuss how to edit parameter settings. There are two buttons seen right side of display screen for editing settings. We use up button for four things. Double click to enter into settings mode where you can see a list of settings. Second, double click to edit a setting. Third, single click to move upward. 4. While in editing mode, use the up button to increase number where cursor is positioned. Similarly, for three things we use down button. 1. Double click to save and exit editing. Second, single click to move downward. 3. Single click to move cursor while in editing mode. Let us configure compulsory parameters. This device has to compulsorily know two things in advance in order to calculate data to show in display screen. These are CH1 and CH2 settings. In CH1, we set capacity of the battery in AH. Example 50 for 50 AH, 100 for 100 AH, like that. In CH2 setting, we set maximum battery voltage at full charge. Example 14.2 for 12 volt battery, 28 volt for 24 volt battery, like that. When CH2 voltage is reached, the power will be automatically increased to 100%. The calibration value will be realized every time the CH2 voltage is filled. Double click up button to enter into the list of settings. Use up button to move up and down button to move down in the list. CH1 already selected. Double click up button to edit CH1 value. Now edit portion is blinking. Cursor is after decimal point. We will just increase value by clicking up button. After 9 we will reach to 0. Use down button to move cursor left and then up button to increase value. Our battery is 200H which is already set. We will just show here how to edit a digit value so you can edit yourself. Double click down button to save and exit. Now we will edit CH2. We need to set 28 but it is already set. We will just show how to change CH2 value. While editing a digit value, double clicking a up button has no effect. Double click down button to save and exit. We have now configured compulsory settings which are CH1 and CH2. Now let us exit from settings menu by going to exit option. Click down button to move downward, then double click down button at exit to confirm. We will reach to data information display screen. Now let us watch Coulometer for how charging progresses in a 24 volt 200H battery system. Now battery voltage is 25.8 volt and recharging battery is done at 11.4 ampere, which means 294.12 volt power in watt is getting charged per hour. 67% has been recharged and remaining charge in battery is 135.492 Ah. Solar production is at level of 148 volt and 4.2 ampere. Sun is not heavy now. Now solar production is more than earlier. That is why it is charging at 25.5 ampere and 25.8 volt. Around 74% of battery has been charged. Solar panel is now generating 6.1 ampere current. Now we are using 1117 watt load. because induction cooker is working. Now battery voltage has risen to 27.8 volt. Charging ampere is 17.2 ampere. Though it shows 100% battery charge, it will take some more ampere till it reaches complete. Now balance charge in battery is 200 H. Now solar panel production is at 7.1 ampere. That means the sun is more than earlier. Sometimes it will produce more than 10 ampere. We have only configured compulsory settings. There are other optional settings which are normally not required but are detailed in screen now. You can read and apply in case you want. Now it is the time to wind up this video. I trust that you have learned almost information about how a shunt is configured and how can we use a coulometer or battery monitor to monitor all the information about battery storage. To get similar videos in future, please subscribe K4 Tech Systems channel and press bell icon for similar videos reach you whenever it is uploaded. Thank you and see you in another video.